So Miss Evans, let's talk about your career.
Well, I got famous when I went into Broadway at the age of 16.
Interesting. Let's talk about your family.
Yes, family. I have 12 children and 6 African American husbands.
Wow, seriously, will you look in such great shape to have 12 children? When did you have your first child?
Well, when I was 10, I had Aya, Kaija, Messiah, Chansey, Muhammad, and Malcolm. When I was 13, I had Meekleen, Shronda, and Arsanti. When I was 15, I had Karmhan, Shruti, Jenzile. And when I was 17, I had Jenny. Oh, and I had my first grandchild when I was 20, and all their fathers are African American.
Well, how old are you now?
26 years old.
Oh, well, so long America we have to go. Give it up for Miss Rebecca Evans.
Oh, long America. See you next time.